Hello, I finally got my Dead Island game from USPS, and I can't wait to open it. So this is the unboxing of Dead Island. So let's get this box opened up here. Ah, look at that. It all just came apart. Oh, everything's falling. Okay, it looks like came with a Dead Island book. It tells you everything about main menu and stuff. Tells you all kinds of stuff actually about characters and table contents. There's a game. It's a pretty cool game. I looked it up on YouTube and it's pretty good. There's that. I wonder why they don't put this pamphlet in there. It'd be a lot easier if they did that. But anyways, thanks for watching this, and hopefully I can record some Dead Island video games, so subscribe.